Hey, hey, welcome to another adventure in the Blue Bike Doors channel. Welcome to, welcome. Hey, y'all like group riding? I do. Run an intro, we're gonna ride with Southern Cruisers again. Hey Season, hey, how you doing? How you mama them? So yeah, solo or group ride. This year I've been doing a lot of group riding. Not much solo riding. I have done some. But yeah. The circus. Can't get it together today. It's just a pretty day and now enjoying the weather on May 10th, and this don't come out to June something. June first weekend before the first Friday in June. I think the way it goes, I just made 2 videos and got them uploaded and thing all like that, and talk about yesterday. I was we went to Barbie Beach and all. And we went down there and I said, mud, it's damn mud. We'll just put big tires on it and drive around in it. That's James Gregory. And then this morning got up, found out that from Ray's Gregory post, which is James's cousin. Ray is James's cousin. And found out he passed away, I guess Friday or Thursday, Friday. I don't remember what day, but rest in peace, James Gregory, the funniest man in America. Somber stories. He always talking about dying in potato salad and all, or passing out in potato salad, and we're gonna eat good. He was funny. So we'll see you when we get down to the gas station we're meeting at, and then we're gonna ride over to Wedowee to eat at the Boondocks, I guess. Yeah, I probably didn't have audio put on one side. That's real good. I realized I didn't have this one plugged in, but it was working kinda. So yeah, we'll figure it out. Going. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of us today. Three trikes and 3 two-wheelers. 1 road glide, 3 street glide, 1 new street glide. 24 model. Alright, here we roll out, and I'm still playing that music loud. Somebody dropped through the wall? Made a door. Hey, hey, Kool-Aid man. Some of y'all won't get that. Well, damn, he's gonna stop for us, Barry. Go. GoPro start. Oh, policeman. Yes. Well, I thought we was going to Wedowee. Oh. We're going to cut through up here. Go by KST Customs. So I was saying earlier, I'm going to repeat what I just said. Damn, what's he going? Got him a speeder? Must be he jumped through that thing and got stuck. Nope, he didn't get stuck. Well, I thought we was gonna turn there, so maybe we're gonna run 78 all the way. Alrighty then. GoPro start recording. Big Kevin behind me. He watched my YouTube. We'll get staggered here, right? He's on the other side of me. He'll wiggle the butt. You gotta stop and wiggle the butt. Oh me. So we'll figure out how we want to ride. I don't know what he's doing. Yeah. Solo riding and group riding. Here lately I'm doing a lot more group riding with the 365ers. Tallapoosa Southern Cruisers. Tallapoosa chapter. So we're gonna, let me see, where we going? We're going to, he said Boondocks in Wedowee. And, oh man. So it's supposed to be a barbecue joint. So we'll see when we get down there. We got what's he telling us to turn here for? It says it's 41 miles. Turn on Atlantic Boulevard. I guess it wants us to run over to 20, I guess. But anyway, we'll see you when we get. Well, yeah, I don't know what we're doing. So I'll give you a time and temperature check, and I can't see nothing. It says it's 66.2 degrees at 11:18. We never leave. He said Keith stands up at 11. Alrighty then. So it's like 40 something miles in there, 45 miles. So we, but back road Barry up there, he'll take us on some back roads again. So surely we're not going to run all the way over to 431 and then go down. We'll see. We'll start running some, let's just time lapse it and play like that, I guess. Well, folks, we hadn't made it to the Boondocks yet, but we've been going through the Boondocks. Old back road Barry up there taking us down all these little 2-lane, 1-lane tar and gravel country roads to carry us to Boondocks. Sort of like backwoods. Squirrel! Yeah. Ooh, water. Turtles? Nope, didn't see any. Well, I was saying, we almost over here. That's 431 in front of us. And then I need to, I don't know. Said it had to readjust, file corrupted or something. dang gravel parking lot. Potholes, what have you. Could have just whipped in right there. Don't drop it right here. That little kid was up there looking at us. Going, ooh, motorcycle. Woo, glad it's downhill. You know, I got my old saying, you know, you don't see a pit, you know, it ain't that good. But it was, I had the smoked brisket. It was pretty good. It was tender. Yeah. Pretty good. But you get some good one around that way. Alright, folks, it's coming in the big town of Wedowee. Yeah, I think he is going to run 48 to 49 maybe. Hopefully. We'll see. But here's the big town of Wedowee. Wedowee. Here's the welcome to Wedowee. That's that winery. Got the food trucks there. Food trailer. Why do they call them food trucks when they come in trailers? Things to make you go, Pretty, ain't it? Alabama the beautiful. That's what they say, and it's true. Oh, me. Oh, we ain't but 1648, that can't be right. 2100 is, no, 21 to 24. I don't remember. But this, Cheaha is the highest place in Alabama. Well, we're going to stop at the store. Ooh, Bigfoot. Oh, it don't. That's just a tree.
It's just a tree.
Ooh, cyclists in the middle of the road. Right in the middle of the lane, holding up traffic. Pretty. Watch him not stop at the store. $40 miles an hour. 1925 elevation. Yay, we stop at the store. swinging back in. Theme park ranger come in. All three of those has got handicap stickers on their tag, and they all parked in the square. He said, only one bike per parking place. Y'all gonna have to move. We said, we just screw it, we'll just leave. Excuse me. Part of the leader. Look at that scenery. Ooh, look, motorcycle. Hey, how you doing, friend? Whee! Come from a land down under. Oh, there's some motorcycles. How y'all doing, friends? How y'all doing, friends? They didn't want to wave. We didn't either. Take that old car out. Don't know. Don't know. Alright, folks, well, this about concludes our day of riding. Well, not really. We still got like 40 miles to get home, I do. But anyway, I figured I'd just close it out. I appreciate y'all coming along with the riding through the Boondocks, going to the Boondocks. Go check out that video right about there. That one there. Go over here, hit the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. We'll catch you later, tater tots.